2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.